lots of strange words in music and music theory, but I think my favorite weird word is plagal. I can't think of any other time in my life that I have used the word plagal. And in this case, it's the Plagal Cadence. Now, plagal is an old word, probably so old we've all forgot it and forgot to use it. It comes from Gregorian music. That's like the 1500s, 1600s time period. And what plagal was really trying to do was give us sort of that amen feeling at the end of a song. So it's a finished cadence, but it's not, the perfect cadence. Perfect cadence, of course, being a 5-1. This is a 4-1. So what I was playing was in the key of C, and what we were doing was going from an F to a C. And that is our Plagal Cadence. It has a great sound to it, doesn't it? I kind of like it, but I think I like saying the word plagal more than I actually like playing the cadence. Let me know what you think.